15 indicators that you're cluttered. The overabundance of possession. Are you feeling stressed and overwhelmed in your own home? Do you constantly find yourself losing things or struggling to clean up? These may be signs that you have too much stuff and it's time to declutter. In the next few minutes, we will discuss the signs that indicate you have too much clutter and provide tips on how to simplify your life. You're scared of your stuff. If coming home after a long day doesn't bring you a sense of calm, but instead stresses you out, it's a clear sign that you have too much stuff. Consider decluttering to create a more relaxing environment. It's daunting to declutter. If the thought of going through your closet or tackling a single cabinet overwhelms you and you've been putting it off for a while, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Ask a friend to help you out and get rid of unnecessary items. Unexpected visitors stress you out. If you dread when people drop by unexpectedly because your house is always messy, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Getting rid of clutter can make your home more presentable and improve your relationships. You consistently lose things. If you frequently misplace items like keys, wallets, or clothes because there's too much stuff everywhere, it's a sign that you have too much clutter. Organizing and finding a home for everything can help you stop losing things. Your counters are never clean. If your kitchen counters or dining room tables are always covered in stuff that goes unused for weeks, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Decluttering can create more space and reduce stress. Cleaning takes a long time. If it takes you an entire day to clean your house, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. The less you have, the less there is to clean, making the process faster and more manageable. You can't clean up in 17 minutes. If you can't tidy up a room or your entire house in a reasonable amount of time, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Simplifying your belongings can make cleaning quicker and easier. You can't park in your garage. If your garage is filled with stuff and you can't use it for its intended purpose, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Decluttering can create space for your car and other useful items. You don't know what's underneath your bed. If you're using the space under your bed as a dumping ground and can't remember what's under there, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Make sure you're using the space efficiently and not just storing unnecessary items. You can't fit more things in your closet. If you can't add new items to your closet without getting rid of old ones, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Consider decluttering and only keeping items you truly love and use. You have credit card debt. If you find yourself in consumer debt because you can't stop buying things, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Consider taking a spending fast and focusing on frugal living to break the cycle of buying unnecessary items. You have too many options. If you have an excessive number of jackets, shoes, blankets, or other items, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Having fewer options can lead to more freedom and simplicity. You don't have systems. If you don't have systems in place for keeping your home clutter-free, it's a sign that you have too much stuff. Establishing rules and parameters for buying and organizing can help maintain a clutter-free environment. You feel like you have too much stuff. Trust your instincts. If you feel like you have too much stuff, it's likely true. Take action and start decluttering one room at a time to simplify your life. Remember, having less can lead to more freedom and a clutter-free home. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.